This function is opposite to the ceiling.math function. FLOOR.math function rounds positive numbers towards 0 and negative numbers away from 0. In a number box, select this number. In a significance box, select this number. Click OK. FLOOR.math function rounds this value down to integer. Because in significance argument, I have entered 2. As this value is positive, FLOOR.math function rounds this value towards 0. As a result, it returns 4 in this cell. Active this cell. Click FLOOR.math function. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. FLOOR.math function rounds this value down to integer. Because in significance argument, the default value is entered. The default value is 1. As this value is positive, function rounds this value towards 0 and returns an integer in this cell. Active this cell. Click FLOOR.math function. In number box, select this cell reference. In significance box, select this cell reference. I want to round this negative value towards 0. So add in the mode argument any non-zero value, whether it is positive or negative. Click this cell reference. Click OK. As this value is negative, function rounds this value away from 0. But I have entered negative 2 in mode argument. As a result, function rounds this value towards 0 and returns negative 840 in this cell. Paste the same formula in these cells. Double click. In this way, FLOOR.math function is used.